guys. Good afternoon everyone. Kaya tapos lang namin ng mag-lunch guys. Thank you. Thank you Lord for another year of my life. +1 today. And thank you for all the guides and protections. Thank you Lord for giving me another day, another year. Today is my birthday and today is my born day guys. So thank you everyone sa lahat ng mga nag-greeting sa akin guys, sa aking nag-message sa FB page ko guys, sa FB, sa messenger ko, at lahat ng mga tumawag sa akin greeting me happy birthday. Thank you everyone guys, and I'm so blessed and happy that God give me another year, another day for my birthday. So thank you Lord for everything. Thank you Lord for all the blessings, for all the upside downs in my life. Thank you. That's it. Thank you so much guys, and I'm so much appreciate those people who remember my born day, and I'm so happy and blessed to have a lot of friends, relatives, colleagues who treat me on my birthday. And thank you to my husband for the yummy and delicious lunch today, and thank you for him for guiding me all the way for the past how many years. And thank you hubby for the lunch, diba? So I'm so blessed guys, because I know that a lot of people who loves me, and I'm surrounding with those positive people, beautiful inside and out. And thank you. I'm so blessed to God guys. So yeah, and today is my 53 birthday. Thank you so much. Thank you. But my hair is really curly. Yeah, I don't know what happens. I don't know what happenings to my hair guys, but it's alright as long you are positive, happy, and be grateful whatever you have. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. More years to come, more years to celebrate on my birthday. Yeah, more years to celebrate guys. Thank you. And thank you. This only I can say thank you, because God is protecting me and giving me another life again. So I'm so happy. Thank you guys. Thank you sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng aking video. Thank you so much. And thank you sa lahat ng mga nag-support, sa lahat ng hindi ako inaiwan. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's good to be happy all the time and be positive always. Yeah. We're going home and rest. Because yeah, my hair is not really very good, you know guys, and my face also, I don't know why. I'm getting old. Yeah, old. Getting old. Thank you so much. It's traffic jam, right? got ERP, right?
I think now haven't. That's why everybody rushing back.
To going back home. What time got ERP? 6 o'clock?
I forget already.
So everybody's rushing.
Haven't stopped. No light. Stop.
Just so everybody's rushing.
Yeah. I want to pump petrol. I forget to bring my phone out.
Oh, really?
Should we go home and get the phone first?
Why you need to?
Because my app's inside my phone.
Oh, okay. Hi guys, thank you for watching. Thank you everyone for greetings me on my birthday. God bless everyone. I love you all. See you next vlog. Bye bye. I love you.